Okay, this one's for Eddie. We'll have a quick walk-around tour of the Loram. Parked for the winter here at East Brookfield. November 5, 2023. I have no idea what these components do or are comprised of, so you can be the judge. I wanted to show you the slag, what it looks like when it is cut from the rails. This is steel, and it is cut off the top of the rails, and this is what it looks like when it drops and cools. And we'll continue now with the walk-around tour. Obviously, that is where the crew sits, where they control the unit. This is the heater. These are the grinders. Now, usually between these two end units, there are tankers which contain the fuel, which heats the fire, aiding in the grinding process. Winterized windows covered in plywood. Obviously, I'm only going to give you a view of three sides, and I am not going to walk on an active hot main. There you have it.